Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivatives. So now I will show you how to answer. For this one, we can use about the power rule. So the formula of this one. So if we do first derivative of this one, we have an s to the power of n minus 1. Now we can apply the formula in here. S in this situation, that is about number 1. So if we do first derivative of this one in here, so we have 2 multiplied by 1s to the power of 1 minus 1. The second one, that's about 3s squared, because number 3 minus 1, we have number 2. So this one we have number 0. So we have number 1. And we can put number 2 like this. Number 5 and number 3, we have 15. And this is the final answer. Question number 2 about the power. We can put into s to the power of negative number 1. And we have negative number 4. So if we do first derivative for this one, we have like this. So we have negative number 2. This is negative number 5. Negative number 3, negative number 4. We have positive number 12. Next, we need to expand this one. So we apply the formula in here. So this is about the constant. So you got 0. That is the end. Thank you for watching.